the company that sets new standards for truck-mounted cargo cranes.
KM Special Equipment Company protects your valuable assets.
KM is a manufacturing company specializing in truck-mounted cargo cranes. Established in 2014, and is a technology company that develops and produces unique models. Realize the philosophy of trust and safety through constant technological innovation. KM that makes changes in the field, a company that listens to the voices of the field and makes the standards for truck-mounted cargo cranes. It adds safety and technology. At the heart of safety and technology, there are people.
The smart choice for your business. KM Special Equipment Company